Hello everyone, welcome back to Viva's Kitchen. I'm so excited once again to show you how to make carrot oil. But this time one is the cold press method, which is healthier than the first one. And this one can be used for cooking, for hair growth, and for the skin as well. So without wasting much time, let's get started. All you need is carrot, which is the main ingredient, okay? And make sure to clean the carrots very nicely. Wash it thoroughly from all the dirt and then grate it like I'm doing. Please keep watching this video till the end because towards the end I'll take you through some of the benefits of carrot oil, and also it will be up to you to choose between this method and then the first method or the hot press method, which is also in my previous video. Where in the previous video, I showed you two ways of making your carrot oil using the frying and then the steaming method. Okay, so guys, we are now grating our carrot, and can you see all the juice in the carrot? All the juice has to be out of the carrot oil in order for the oil to stay longer on the shelf, and we are going to be doing that very soon, so keep watching. So now I'm adding my carrier oil, which is the homemade coconut oil. So guys, if you haven't seen the video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. For your own convenience, check it out. Okay, always let the carrier oil be above the level of the carrot. Okay, so let's do that. So after adding the carrier oil, some people just put this in a container, a tight container, and then they just shake the bottle or container which has the oil and carrot in it. They continue to shake it until the carrot get infused in the carrier oil. But to me, I still see that the carrot oil has the carrot juice in it, so it doesn't make it last for long. So this is how I do mine. So if you're interested, please continue watching till the end, and I think you love this method more. Okay, so after a few hours, let's check and see how the oil is doing. Can you see it's changing color? The carrot oil is already happening right here in my kitchen, guys. I could have just skipped this step, but I wanted you to see how easy and fast it is for the carrot to be infused into your carrier oil without even applying any heat like the previous video. Okay, so now this is how I make mine. I just go ahead and blend the oil and then the carrot together. It doesn't need to be that smooth. Okay, so when it's all done, guys, you continue from there. So keep watching. This is so simple. I like this method. It's so far how I make my carrot oil. It can be used for cooking, for hair growth, and many more. Okay, so after blending, all you need is to get your chiffon cloth, nutmeg bag, muslin cloth to separate the pulp from the clear mixture or fine mixture. And that's what I'm just doing. Look at that. It's so pure. I love it. It smells so nice, guys. So squeeze all the pure mixture out from the pulp. And now, guys, let's take a closer look at our pulp. And look at that. It's almost pale. I did my best. I squeezed all the nutrients out of the pulp. And guys, we have a very nutritious carrot oil here, full of nutrients, I mean. So it's going straight into the freezer. After a few hours, guys, it should be out for us to continue with the whole process. So those of you who have seen my previous video, this part of the process is not that new to you. But all the same, I'm sure you've learned something new today. So now that it's out of the freezer, guys, it's time for us to just bring the whole thing out of the bowl and then use our knife to just cut the juicy part. So now, guys, let me show you the juicy part. The juicy part is at the bottom. Can you see that? You see it's just there at the bottom, and then the oil is also at the top. Yes, so we're going to just cut that part off, and then we let it melt under room temperature, or you can leave it in the sun for it to melt. It's even the quickest way. Okay, guys, can you see? There is juice at the bottom. This is why I use this method. It's safe for me, and it makes my carrot oil stay for a longer period of time on the shelf. Lovely people, if you are enjoying this video so far, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and if you are new, hey, please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this beautiful family. And don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes, okay? So now that we are all done scraping off the juicy part, guys, now throw this part away. It's not needed. You see, it's so icy and juicy. You don't need that. Now I'm just going to cut it into pieces and put it in a bowl, and I'll leave it in the sun for it to melt. I've realized that when I cut it into pieces, it melts faster than when it's in a whole. So it's all up to you which way to go. Either to just leave it like that for it to melt in the sun or under the room temperature, or cut it into pieces for it to melt faster for you. Okay? So now that I'm all done cutting my carrot oil, I'm going to let the sun melt it completely. And guys, please note this part. When the sun melts it, you'll see that there will be some fine pulps in the oil, and we don't need that in the oil. Okay, so you need to strain the oil again in order to get a clear and beautiful oil. So this time I'm going to use the cotton bud to filter out the oil. You can as well use the chiffon cloth, nutmeg bag, or any other cloth that you think you have available. Okay, so guys, take your time and do this patiently. Look at that, it's so beautiful, it's so clear, just what I needed. Guys, we are almost there, so keep watching. Fill all your bottles or your containers up, and this is the first method. So now on to the second method. Guys, keep watching. It's so quick and it's so easy, okay? This is how I do it. You can either scrape off the skin of the carrot or just leave it like that. When you don't want to scrape off the skin of the carrot, please make sure, as I said in the previous video, that you soak the carrot in salt solution, and then you allow the carrot to release all its dirt before you use it. Okay, so now I've finished grating the carrot. I'm going to let it stay in the sun or just leave it like that anywhere where there is air for it to just dry until it's crispy. Okay, so we are back and it's so crispy. The oil I'm using is coconut oil. You can use olive oil or any other oil of your choice. Just put the crispy carrot pieces in it. If I were to be using an airtight container, then my carrot oil making should have ended here, because I'll just cover it up and then let it stay for days. And after some few days, I should see the carrot oil all done. Now let's see after a few minutes. Let's see, it's already infusing. So guys, this is the second method, and I think it's the most easiest and quickest method ever for making your cold press carrot oil. And with this one, you are rest assured there is no juice in there because you let the sun dry everything out. Even under 1 minute, look what we are seeing. We've already made carrot oil. So imagine if it stays for 2 weeks, you get a very nutritious, colorful, beautiful carrot oil with no juice in it. So guys, I love this method as well, and it's the second method. Thank you all for watching. So if you are looking to grow your hair, if you are looking to clear your dark spots, if you are looking to clear your dark knuckles and dark knees, if you're looking to brighten your skin, then this is the best carrot oil method to use. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. I believe you are inspired, and if you are new, subscribe to this channel for more appetizing and more beautiful recipes that you will love. Until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed, stay safe, be good. Okay, enjoy this video. Take care. Bye. You all. Kiss.